Even more ice.
So much of ice and cold. How much ice is truly more ice?
Hello.
Chalo, chalo. Hey everyone. Today I'm going to show you the winter storm, the snow winter storm. It has happened in Midwest US.
Kentucky.
It's amazing to see. It's fully covered with white snow. Everywhere is covered with full snow.
I found some ice.
चलो अब तुझे खेल बाबा चलो.
Look at me on the trail.
It's windy. Again the snow has started. Ooh, so chilling. Looks like now it's minus 22. Feels like minus 22. And when it's windy, when it's wind everywhere, it's more chilling. Oh. It's so cold. Look at the beauty. How beautiful it is.
Yeah, where's the place?
Nature, you are so amazing. You have been always amazing. The snowfall has again started. Oh, it's amazing. See, look at the view. It's covered with white snow everywhere. So there was this alert for us. People are advised not to go out. Oops. Rishan, what are you holding?
Ice.
Ice?
Yes.
Everywhere you have ice.
Yeah, I wish to keep this ice as a treasure, but she keeps on telling me that I can get to keep the treasure.
Okay, go and play. See, look at around.
Ready, set, whoa! Whoa! Hey guys, look! I'm getting some snow! And watch! First
And
one
throw
is this, and watch this now! Are you ready?
Yes.
Shift. Whoa! Whoa! Only
Oh, it's windy now. But what is that?
I can carry anything. Look at that.
Oh, how big ice. What you're going to do with them anyway?
I'm just gonna keep them as my treasure. Whoa! I can't carry it much. Are you sure about that? If I can't carry it much, then how am I carrying it already?
Okay, let's go. Chal. Enough. Chalo. It's very, very cold. Chalo. This is how salts are placed, so that it can melt the snows and can soak. So it won't be much water around everywhere. Oh, I guess now it's time to go back to the home, Gugu. Okay, it's time to say bye to the ice and we'll go to our cozy home to warm tea. I'm very grateful we have a home which is warm, which gives comfort to us. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I will come back soon. Until then, bye bye, take care and wish you all a very happy new year. Thank you, bye bye.
Much ice is more ice.
Thank you so much everyone for watching our video so far. I hope you all are liking our snow video. Thank you so much. Wish you a happy new year. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I will talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.